I literally have a stain in the center of my shirt and I have no idea what it is, and I just washed this, so oh well, looks like I'm doing the video with the stain on it. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Kate. If you guys have been here before, welcome back. If you have not, welcome to my channel. I have a guilty pleasure and it has been TikToks. I told myself I was never gonna download the app, I was never gonna do it, but then I freaking did it and I got hooked. My idea of TikTok was just like people making lip syncs to different videos, but it's really not. Like, you can find DIYs, you can find funny videos, like you can see people dancing, like it's a little bit of everything. So I came across this Miss A website, and basically what it is a website where everything is $1 to $2 and it's all cruelty free, supports education, has supporting animals, $1 makeup and accessories. So I spent $25 on accessories, makeup, miscellaneous objects. I kind of bought a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna do a full face with these $1 to $2 products, and let's hope for the best, but they're cruelty free, so they must be at least okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna break into this. I've had this for a week and I've been dying to open it. And so, where'd I put my scissors? Let's do it. I really like the packaging. I think the girl that I watched, hers, the packaging was green. So I like the pink, that's very fun. Everything comes wrapped in bubble wrap with all of your packaging. I'm gonna throw that on the floor. Ah! Ah! That was a mistake. It looks like everything is wrapped like together. So you kind of have like a mix of different things, and then some things are wrapped individually depending on what they are. Oh, I cannot wait to show you guys. I think I have everything sorted through. I'm gonna bring the camera in a little bit so you guys can see me a little bit closer and I can show you everything a little bit closer. The good news about this, ordering took like 2 to 3 days to process, and then it was here in 7 days. I thought, like, you know, when you buy more inexpensive stuff, it's usually shipping from like a different country, but this stuff, I think it's shipped from Texas. Yeah, it's here, it's shipped from Dallas, Texas. So it got here very, very quick. So let's see what the heck I spent $25 on. So I was originally gonna break this video up into 2 different parts, like the accessories and then the makeup. But I kind of want to just put it all together into one because I feel like you guys will really just kind of want to see it all together instead of having to make 2 videos to see everything. So before I get into the makeup, I'm going to show you the accessories that I bought. So the first thing I got was this beauty blender holder. So it's just this cute little rose gold beauty blender holder. It's kind of stretchy. I mean, pretty good quality. It just feels like wire. I bought a beauty blender to go in it, and I was like, oh great, let me get this black beauty blender because I don't have one of those. It's the size of my thumb. What is this? They had so many beauty blenders. Like, did it say mini beauty blender and I just like didn't realize it? It's tiny. I'm like excited about it, but I'm gonna go put some water on it and see how big it gets. This is my normal Morphe beauty blender, and then this is the new one. My hands are all wet because I just washed these off. It got a little bit bigger, but like, like shit, I bought this to go in here. It's so tiny, but at least now I have it for this big. Mia, stop getting in the trash. Mia, no. Next accessory I bought, these were actually in like the actual TikTok that I saw that made me go order from them. It's just these like cute brown shades. They are very basic, but I literally paid $1 for them. I just felt like these would be perfect for like the beach or something. Like if you, oh my gosh, they do not look that good with my face shape. Whatever, they're perfect for, I don't want to wear my expensive sunglasses, and they're really, really good quality. 10 out of 10 would cop these over anything so far. They were packaged really good, and they're just not like your flimsy $1 glasses. Like, these are awesome. The next couple things I got are, I got an essential oil blend. This one is Positivity. It's supposed to help with anxiety. Let's see how it smells. I don't really know what to expect. It just smells like mint. And then I bought 3 nail polishes. I bought a full-size one in this like taupe color. And then I bought 2 like mini sizes. They're like duet ones. They look really, really sheer. I just committed back to acrylic nails, so I'm kind of frustrated that I got these, but I might do these with my toes or something like that. So I got these for $1 each. And then let's get into jewelry. Oh, I don't like these. Oh, I don't like these at all. They're really, really, really good quality. Have like some rhinestones at the top, and then they've got some hoops on the bottom. They're pretty heavy. They're not like super cheap feeling. I just don't really like the rhinestones being as big as they are. But for $1, like what can you expect? They're really good quality for the price. The next thing I got are these little face earrings. So they're 2 little gold faces. They're super cute and I actually love these. I kind of wish I got them in silver. But they're just so different and not really something I'd wear. These were a good find. I don't know how I feel about these. I remember I wanted these in silver, but they didn't have silver, so I ended up going with gold. They're these cute little dangly earrings. They have pearls on the bottom. They're really different. I actually like them. I feel like I'll wear these a good amount of time. Definitely is something I would pay more than $1 for. They're not like the best quality, but I feel like they're pretty cute. I'll definitely wear these. Last, for like the accessories, I got these little pom-pom earrings. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger, but I'm actually really happy with them. They're perfect for work. They're a lot smaller than I expected them to be, but I'm really, really happy with the outcome. I figured that they were gonna look really cheap, but they really don't look as cheap as I expected them to. Okay, now we are on to the fun part, which is the makeup. So I'm just gonna go along and do like a full face and kind of show it to you guys as I go. There's a few things that I didn't end up getting, which were like bronzer, eyeshadow, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna start with, I've already put lotion on my face, primed my face, all that kind of crap. So this is the first, I didn't even show you guys, I just started opening it, but it is Natural Finish Liquid Concealer. It was $1.55, so it's medium to full coverage. So I don't know if I want to like cover my spots up first and then do, let's see what shade of foundation I got. So the foundation definitely looks about like the same shade. This is the foundation. So they're pretty decent sizes. I'm pretty happy with them. I think I'm gonna do a full face of this foundation and then do the concealer over it and just do like around my eyes and everything. I do my makeup in such a weird order, so I'm sorry for all of y'all that are like, you're doing it out of order. So, I mean, it's a really nice bottle. It is a buildable satin foundation. It's a pretty good size, especially for the price, and it looks a little watery. I'm just gonna literally put it on my face. Okay, so I'm like struggling getting it in to my skin, and I feel like it is a little bit too light for my skin for like going out. But another thing that I bought was this, it's kind of like a kabuki brush. I literally have it all over myself. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna take this foundation brush that I got and try to mix it in a little bit better that way. I don't know if this should be used for a makeup or for foundation. It's really, really light. Yeah, this foundation kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. It's not my favorite. It's not terrible, it's just not fantastic. I mean, for $1, what do you expect? Oh my gosh, nothing is getting rubbed in. So I'm gonna take the concealer. I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Concealer seems good. Beauty blender seems fine. I literally am going out and I'm going to look atrocious, but it's okay. It's fine. I'm fine. Every single imperfection on my chin is like, hello, here I am. Like, it is not covering at all. This is like the concealer and the foundation on. It's making me so mad. All right, I'm gonna put my bronzer on and then I'll be back in just a second. So I have my bronzer on. I'm about to try this blush out. My nose is like super bronzed, oops. It is really hard to do your makeup in a screen and a ring light. You see all of your imperfections way too close. The blush I got, it's the Sunshine Collection Blush Duo. I'm gonna kind of mix the two colors. Oh God, I'm so nervous this is gonna come out like so pink. I don't hate it at all. Watch me go out and Chuck be like, wow, you look like a clown tonight. Why the hell did you decide to do that today? And I'm gonna be like, I honestly don't know, my dude. The very first thing that I put in my cart was this honey lip balm. It literally had like every flavor you can think of. Let's see, but I just thought the honey was cute. I'm just gonna put this on my lips real quick. I really like this. It doesn't taste like fake honey, it literally tastes like honey. Like I am putting honey on my lips. I like this. Yeah, it's chapstick. Goes on really smooth. I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyeshadow on because I didn't buy anything for my eyeshadow. And then I'll see you guys in just a minute for the rest of everything and we'll go from there. I just did a really simple eye. It's just like pink. I used the Anastasia Soft Glam palette for it. I bought this loose powder. It comes in like a little tube and it's called Pearl Powder. It's white. I don't know if it's gonna be like white or like shimmery white. Oh, they were sold out of so many colors that I wanted to get, but we're gonna see how this white looks. So it's like a very loose powder. I really wanna pop this on my lids in the middle. So I'm gonna take a flat brush. So I'm gonna wet a flat brush a little bit. It's very holographic. I'm gonna tap it on. Oh God, I just wanna tap it on like my lid. Oh, it's so holographic. I love this. It looks like pure white powder, and then as soon as you put it on, it's more of like an iridescent. I'm making a mess. Be careful if you get this stuff because it is, oh my gosh. I have made a mess. Be careful if you get this stuff. It's just not very like out there. Like it just kind of like blends in. It's not like super pigmented powder. I don't know. So far, everything has really been a bust. The jewelry is probably better than the rest of it. Yeah, I'm gonna like fix my eyes. Not bad, I don't hate it. And I feel like it's gonna look interesting once I get lashes on. The next thing I got is a liquid matte eyeliner. It looks like this. And I'm really used to using a brush, so I'm like really close to y'all right now, but it's fine. Oh, so it's like a felt tip. If you are someone that prefers a felt tip, this is probably gonna be better for you. Let's see when I get focused. Okay, I'm gonna try my best. I don't usually use felt tips. Oh my God, I cannot do this. Oh my God, it's like stabbing my eye. Yeah, I can't do this, it hurts. It's like a needle going into my eye. I'm not even gonna finish with that. I'm gonna finish with my own. I mean, if you're used to using felt tips, I don't think any felt tips are gonna be that painful. Like that did not feel right, that hurt. I can't wait to edit this video and be like, what the hell were you thinking? Not gonna lie, I had very high expectations for all this. The next thing that I got was a illuminating drops. What am I saying? I really like this color. Oh, okay, so it's just like a dropper. So I'm gonna take a couple and put it on my hand. Oh, dropper's not working. Okay, so I just put like one drop on my hand so it's not super runny. So I wanna use it as highlighter, so I'm just gonna like dab it a tiny bit and kind of like tap it on my cheeks. I really like that. I'll probably use this again. Yeah, this is probably like one of the things that I'll actually use because I like it. It's not like crazy and it rubs in really well, which I like. So that was like a win. The other thing I bought were eye makeup remover pads. Since I'm going out, I'm not gonna take it off, but I'm gonna try to take off all this makeup on my hand. Okay, so they just have like some little, oh, I like these. Yeah, these are cool. Not a fail. Oh, they're so oily. Oh my gosh, my hand is covered in oil now. I'm gonna put these lashes on. I gotta put some mascara on and then these lashes, and I'll show you guys the final look once I have them on. Oh my gosh, this has been a video. What do you guys think so far? Oh my gosh, I have no idea what these are gonna look like on. I might look ridiculous or I might look really cute. I love big eyelashes, so we'll see. I'll see you guys in just a second. All right, everybody, I am back. I went ahead and popped the lashes on and did my hair just so I could kind of see like the full result, except for my clothing. And honestly, these eyelashes kind of make the whole thing okay. Like, I am not too upset about these. They're a little extra, but I didn't do my makeup like super harsh. I will probably be ordering eyelashes from them again in the future. I feel like they're really good quality. They don't feel really fake. So that literally took me so long to film this whole thing and like do all of this. But I want to know what you guys think after everything. My final thoughts are I'll probably be ordering from this company again only because I feel like they had a lot of fun stuff. If you are looking for something cheap for like an event, or you want to try something out or something like that, this is a great place to start. I would much rather order stuff from this company than like going to the dollar store or something. So if that helps your guys' thoughts at all, there's that. For the accessories, I'm wearing the little people. I think that's really fun. Cheap costume jewelry, you can get some big things in there for pretty quick shipping, really great price. So if you're just looking for some pieces of jewelry that you can add to your collection that's not going to be super expensive, it's a great place to shop for jewelry. But I want to hear your guys' thoughts. What was your favorite piece of jewelry? What was your favorite makeup product that I tried? What was your favorite thing overall? What are you dying to try out of everything? Comment down below, let me know your guys' thoughts. Yeah, I guess that's it. This is the end of the video, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week on Thursday, and have a great rest of your week. Bye!